Very quickly in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to actually promote your CPA marketing offers and make money just by promoting your offers on this platform called Pinterest. So it's going to be a very quick guide, and I'd like you to stick on and watch this video right on to the end. Now, during the course of this video, I'm not actually going to be going too much into details of actually utilizing some specific platforms, because I actually have videos on that on my channel right there, which I will actually direct you to while we go through this simple strategy. So firstly guys, you may actually want to just simply go on to focusing on a specific niche, and you can come onto this platform called the freeplrdownloads.com to actually get a free ebook. Now you can just simply focus on the niche. As you can see right now on this particular niche section, there are lots and lots of numerous niches right here that you can just simply focus on to get free PLRs on. Now if I want to just simply focus on maybe the health niche, I can just simply come right here and type in something like weight loss, click on the search icon, and it's actually going to go on to narrowing down ebooks related to that particular search keyword. Now you can actually see a lot of ebooks related to that. I'm going to select this particular one right here, and I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom section of the page, and I can actually go to seeing the download icon right now. Once you click on that, you're going to be able to download that particular PLR on your device, and you can then go on to platforms like Google Drive or mediafire.com to upload that ebook and get a very cool link for the ebook. Once the ebook has been uploaded, you can copy the link to the ebook and go onto a CPA marketing platform. Now you can use any CPA marketing platform of your choice. I'm using License CPA Group for the purpose of this video. You can just simply click on the register icon, be brought to a page right here if you don't have an account, and fill out this form to get your account created. Also agree to the terms of service right now by checking these boxes and then click on register now. Your account will get created after filling out this form appropriately. Then go on to logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to just simply come right onto this page, which is the URL file locker section. To get onto this page, come right here, click on monetization tools option, select URL file locker from the drop down list that will be shown to you, and you can get onto a page such as this. Now you can click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you're going to be brought to a page where you could just simply edit the details of your locker. Right here in this locked URL section, you want to paste in the link to that particular locked content or that particular ebook to which you did copy the link from your Google Drive, if you actually did use Google Drive, or mediafire.com. Now you can just simply head on to the template section, select a template of your choice. I usually prefer this file download template for stuff like this, and you can then head back to the general section, edit the locker name, and edit these details to actually fit into that particular locked content right there. Now you could just simply click on save, and your URL file locker will be generated. Now once the URL file locker has been generated, click on get link right now. You can get the link to the locker, copy the link, and go on to creating a landing page, which is the next step. As you all know, landing pages are absolutely important in getting better conversions to your offer, and you can utilize platforms like breezy.io, systemy.io, Google Sites, Webflow, and there are numerous platforms out there to take advantage of. And if you want to just simply learn how to create a landing page, I have some videos on my channel that teaches you how to do that on some specific platforms. You just need to come onto my channel right here, click on the search icon, and just simply type in landing page. Once you successfully do that and click on enter, you're going to see some cool videos I created that shows you how to create landing pages right now. You can check out this one right here. Also, this shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites. This is with systemy.io. This is with Webflow. This is with Breezy Cloud. The more you keep scrolling down, the more you keep seeing cool and amazing videos that teaches you how to create landing pages on some specific platforms out there. Once you actually do learn that, guys, and create a landing page that's linked to your CPA marketing offer, next will be how to promote that on this particular platform right here called the Pinterest.com. Now you can actually take note that on Pinterest, they are actually getting a lot of cool and amazing and attractive images or videos right here, and those are what are actually attracting a lot of people to click on pins right now on Pinterest. So you want to just simply create one for yourself, and to create one you can utilize platforms like canva.com right now. Now if you come onto Canva, you can just simply go on to searching for the Pinterest pin. Now if I do come right here and I do go on to searching for the Pinterest pin, you can see this option right now. If you select that, it's gonna go on to showing you a lot of cool and amazing Pinterest templates that you can just simply select from edit the template to your preference and just simply utilize that as a pin. Now I can just simply go on to creating one from blank, but before you do create one from blank, you actually need to head back to the home page first of all. Now on this page guys, you want to just simply go onto your project and you can actually create a simple folder. Now I can come onto this folder section right now. As you can see, I have some folders right here. You can create some folder, click on add right now, and you can actually add or create a folder. Now once your folder has been created, as you can see, I have a folder named background right here. You can then just simply go back and search for the Pinterest pin. Once you do search for that, I just want to go on to selecting a very cool pin. Maybe I'm just gonna scroll through and select one. Maybe I'm just going to stick on with this one right now, or I'm just going to utilize this pin right here. So if I select the pin, I'm going to click on customize this, and once that has actually been selected, it's going to take me to a page where I can easily edit that pin right now. So basically all we're going to do right here for this particular pin editing is just simply to go onto this element section, and you can just simply search for background. Now if I do search for something like light background right here, in this photo section, I can actually see a lot of cool and amazing backgrounds, which I can just simply click on this 3 dot right here of any background I do like, and I can just simply click on add to folder. I can add that to that specific folder, which is the background folder I created earlier on. Once that has actually been added, you want to add as much as possible backgrounds that you can add to that particular folder. Once you do that guys, we just need to head onto a very cool platform called ChatGPT by going onto a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Right now on ChatGPT, you want to just simply ask ChatGPT to give you maybe 5 facts about health habits and no more than 20 words per fact. And you can see right now that ChatGPT is actually going to go on to generating some cool and amazing facts about health habits right now. And you can actually see right here that these are actually cool facts right now. So all I actually need to do right here is to just simply leave this as it is. Maybe you could focus on any niche of your choice. As you can see, I'm still focusing on the health niche, and you can actually increase the number of facts right there, and that is actually going to come out better. Now once that has actually been done, all I need to do right now is to actually go on to copying these facts right now. If I do copy that, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT, or rather Canva right now. If I do head up back to Canva, I'm going to go on to this app section, and you want to just simply go on to searching for the bulk create. Now if you do search for bulk create, you can see this option right here. Select that. Now you want to just simply select enter data manually. Now in this section that says name, I'm just going to change that to facts. Now for the email section, I'm going to change that to something like background, but rather first I'm going to just simply delete that. So next I'm just going to click on add image, and that I'm just going to change to background. So once that is done, I'm going to come onto this section right here and just simply go on to pasting in my facts. Now for the background, you want to just simply come right here, click on the plus icon, and you can actually go on to selecting from your background folder, select a very cool image or cool background that you actually do want. I'm just going to select at random for each one. Now once I'm done selecting, I'm just going to go down to the bottom section and click on done. Now once that is actually done, you can see this section that says image. You just need to go on to right clicking on that and actually do go on to clicking on. So if that image didn't actually work, you just need to actually go on to adding a frame. Come right here and you can just simply right click on the frame right now and select this connect data option. Now you want to connect that to the background, and for the image or text right here, you want to right click on that and also connect that data right now. Now you want to connect that to the fact, and other things that you don't actually need, I'm just going to delete that right here. Once that is actually done, I'm going to click on continue, click on generate 5 designs, and in a matter of a minute or two right now, my designs are actually going to be generated right here, and you're going to see how cool that actually is. Now this way we actually enable us go on to generating a lot of pins that we can just simply utilize to drive traffic to our CPA marketing URL file locker for people to complete offers, and I get paid some cool affiliate commission. So take a look at these guys. My designs have actually been generated, of which guys you can see that this text is actually not quite showing properly. So I can just simply go on to changing the text color right now to something like white, and you can see that better right here. You can just simply check out each and every one of the designs that were actually generated and just do simple editing for that, after which you can just simply click on share and go on to downloading that on your device before utilizing that as a form of cool traffic to go onto uploading on platforms like Pinterest right now. And you're just simply going to go on to leaving the link to that particular URL file locker in the domain or in the bio of your account or in the link section of your video of that particular pin. Click on home feed. You want to click on create pin for ad, and right here in this section you just need to upload that. After uploading, you can add a very cool title, description, and there's a section for a link where you want to add your URL file locker link. Now in some cases guys, you might actually need to add the link as a form of QR code right here on top of the image so as to make sure people do see that, or you can just simply add a simple text on that particular image also at a very cool and amazing spot where people are not going to miss to direct them to the bio or the link in that particular video in pinned description. Now that way you can do this guys in a simple manner is just for you to head on to platforms like opus.pro. Now this is a very cool platform that you can utilize to generate 10 viral clips with just utilizing one single video. Now if you come onto Opus clip right here, it will propose a single video into 10 viral clips. And how do you do that? You just need to go on to getting the link to that particular video right now. Now you can sign up for the platform for free. You're going to get a free account right here. As you can see, having a free account right now, a free plan of which I actually have about an hour credit right now. Now you can just simply go on to inserting the link right now, and you can see that this actually supports YouTube videos, Google Drive videos, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StreamYard. Now you can see that the videos that you are going to just simply be utilizing should be product video podcast videos, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, and motivational speeches. Now this is not suitable for vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. You just need to get the link, paste in the link right here in this section, and click on get clip in one click. It's going to analyze that, going to come up with 10 viral clips for you, and each clip is having a virality score that shows you how cool or how possible, how easily that particular video is actually going to go on to getting viral right there. And it's also going to give you a title for each video, and you can utilize that as a form of means to just simply go on to promoting that your URL file locker on this particular platform called Pinterest. Now one good thing that Pinterest actually has that can help you a lot is this particular platform right here called the Pinterest Trends, otherwise known as trends.pinterest.com. Now this platform, you can easily know what is trending on Pinterest at a particular moment, and you can utilize that to just simply know what you can just simply post about and get people to complete your offers and utilize that to make money online. Now you can see on Pinterest right now, this is what is trending: spring outfits, spring nails 2024, summer nails, prom hairstyles, and a lot more cool stuff related to this. So just simply find ways which you can use such trending topics to get people to complete your offers and you make money. And guys, I do hope this video was helpful. If you want to gain more tips to make money online, you can just simply check out my channel right here, ojmarketing, because I generally create videos on how to make money online right now. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all so as to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.